Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to design professional slides using WPS Slides. Whether you're working on a pitch deck, a school project, or a business report, WPS Slides has all the tools you need to create polished and impactful presentations. Let's get started. WPS Slides is part of the WPS Office suite and is a fantastic alternative to PowerPoint. It's free, easy to use, and packed with features like templates, animations, and collaboration tools to help you design stunning slides effortlessly. First, open WPS Slides. If you don't already have it installed, don't worry. I've included a link in the description below where you can download it for free. Once you're in, you'll find a variety of pre-designed templates to choose from. These templates are perfect for giving your slides a professional look without starting from scratch. After selecting a template, you can start personalizing your slides. Add your text, images, and charts by clicking on the placeholders. WPS Slides makes it super easy to drag and drop elements, resize them, and adjust their position. To make your slides stand out, head to the Design tab to change the theme, background, or color scheme. You can also add transitions and animations to make your presentation more dynamic. Just go to the Animation tab, pick an effect, and apply it to your text or objects. If you're working with a team, WPS Slides has built-in collaboration tools. You can share your slides with others, leave comments, and even co-edit in real time. It's perfect for group projects or team presentations. Once your slides are ready, you can save them in multiple formats, including .pptx, .pdf, or even as a video. This makes it easy to share your work with anyone, no matter what software they're using. Designing professional slides with WPS Slides is simple, efficient, and free. With its powerful tools and user-friendly interface, you'll be creating stunning presentations in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!